Hello everyone, today we have a 2017 Ford F-250 Super Duty 4x4. This is a 6.7 liter diesel. I'll go ahead and put this down and take it for a tour. Let's have the tow hooks up front, the painted aluminum wheels. Tow package. This one is ready for a fifth wheel, as you see. And it does have spray-on lining. It does have a power sliding back window, fixed running boards. Okay, looks like we got black leather interior, and you have your own power supplies back here. You also have a wood look for accents right there. Go ahead and give you a shot of the VIN. Go ahead and hop up in. Okay, just showing you the dash here. We see that we have 48,694 miles on it. Go and start it up so you can see the sequence of operations there. Okay, right here we've got your cruise control, push to talk, your other trip computer toggle. So there we go there. I'm going to turn this down a little bit because that can be noisy. Here's your 2- and 4-wheel drive toggle, your trailer settings, and here are your climate controls. And then we can also bounce over to audio. Your sources show AM, FM, Sirius, XM, and CD, and Bluetooth. Also go to navigation, your apps, and then your settings. And come down here, you'll have additional power supplies and stowage there. Additional stowage, cup holders, and absolutely massive compartments. You come up here and you have your auxiliaries. There's your auxiliary bank, and then obviously your map lights. So that about wraps it up for this F-250. Let's see now. Go and make sure that our lights are shut off. Oh, this particular vehicle does have a branded title. There was damage here on the driver front, passenger front, and the passenger rear. You want to talk to your salesperson for descriptions and pictures of that. We have all that in the Carfax and can send that over to you. We have gotten it all fixed up, has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.